Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Institute of Maths. I am Somaras. Today videos I will discuss. Okay, you are prepared for JEE mains and advanced examinations. This is video for you. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here indeterminate forms 1 power infinity form limit extends to a f of x whole power g of x equal to e power limit extends to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. This is the formula for 1 power infinity form. Okay, here limit extends to 0, here 0, this is 1 only. Here limit extends to 0 means 1 by 0 equal to infinity. This is the 1 power infinity form. This is the 1 power infinity form. This is find this one equal limit here write e power limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0 f of x minus 1. This is the f of x 1 plus ax minus 1 into g of x. G of x is equal to 1 by bx, 1 by bx plus 1 minus 1 both are cancel equal to e power limit extends to 0 ax by bx, ax by bx. Okay, x get cancel here. E power a by b, e power a by b is the our answer. This is the 1 power infinity form. This is the basic question. Next, one more question is limit extends to infinity 1 plus 2 by 3x into 7x plus 2 by 5. This is also, suppose here limit extends to infinity means 1 by 0. This is also totally 0 by something means 0. Next, here limit infinity plus 2 equal to, that is also infinity means this is 1 power infinity form. This is 1 power infinity form. This is 1 power infinity form. Okay, understand. Here what is the formula? Limit extends to limit e power limit extends to infinity f of x minus 1 plus 2 by 3x minus 1 into g of x is equal to 7x plus 2 by 5, 7x plus 2 by 5. Okay, both are multiplication. This is cancel, this one also cancel. Here 2 by 3x equal to e power limit extends to infinity 2 by 3x into this is 7x plus 2 by 5, 7x plus 2 by 5. Okay, here right this is 3 into x, these both are multiplied. Okay, 15x here right equal to limit limit extends to infinity 2 into this value equal to 2 into the 14x and this is also 15x. Here right 14x plus 2 by here 15x. Okay, what is the coefficient of x and downside and upside? Equal to 14 by 15. What is the answer? E power 14 by 15. E power 14 by 15 is our answer. E power 14 by 15 is our answer. This is the extends to infinity model. Okay, this is the extends to infinity model. Okay, next by infinity form. What are the infinity? This is the indeterminate forms, infinity by infinity form. Here write infinity 3 into infinity. This is also 5 into infinity up to so on. Total add also, this is also infinity. Next, downside also infinity minus infinity and plus 1 equal to, that is also infinity. Okay, here infinity by infinity form. This is infinity by infinity form. In this case, here highest power. What is the highest power? This is the leading coefficient. What is the leading coefficient is the our answer. Okay, here right. Here in this case another method equal to limit extends to infinity. Here what is the common? Here x square is the common. Here 3 plus 5 by x, next 2 by x square, Here downside also x square is the common. Here 2, next minus 3 by x, next plus 1 by x square. Here limit extends to infinity. Here extends to infinity and this is, that implies extends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. This is 1 by x plus is equal to 0. This is 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. All are 0. This x square is the cancel. What is our answer? Our answer is equal to 3 by 2. Our answer is equal to 3 by 2. Both coefficients are equal to 0. Both coefficients are same. both coefficient not both powers are same. Here x square. This is the 3 by 2 is the our answer. That is the that is the shortcut. Okay, what is the shortcut here? Here x square, this is also x square, this is also x square, means here 3 by 2 is the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Next, suppose for example here 3x x square, here downside is equal to 2x only. 2x only, here x only common, here 1x cancel, 1x cancel, here 3x by 2, means limit extends to infinity, limit extends to infinity, here write infinity. What is the answer? Answer is equal to infinity. Okay, this is the answer is equal to infinity. Suppose for example downside, here one value downside is equal to 3x square plus 5 by downside equal to 2x cube plus 5 only. This is limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. Like that, x square only common is the cancel, means 3 by 2x here. 3 by 2x here. This is 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is equal to 0. This is answer is equal to 0. Answer is equal to 0. Okay, understand this one, infinity formula. Next, infinity by infinity form. Here in this case also infinity by infinity. What is the answer? Here answer is equal to x coefficient is equal to 2. Here also x coefficient is equal to 3. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. This is our answer. 2 into 3 6 and 3 into 5 15. Okay, 2 3 2 times 3 2 times and 3 5 times equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is our answer. This is the shortcut. Okay, understand this one. Next, one more indeterminate form. Indeterminate form is infinity minus infinity. What are the infinity minus infinity? Limit extends to 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Limit extends to 1, here x plus is equal to 1, 2 by 0 is equal to infinity. Okay, this is infinity minus infinity form. This is infinity minus infinity form. Okay, this is infinity minus infinity form. This is a small change here. Limit extends to 1, limit extends to 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by, this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, what is the LCM here? LCM is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. Limit extends to 1. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. X minus 1 is the LCM. Here x minus 1, no? Here also x minus 1 is the cancel, means this is also x plus 1. Here minus 2. Okay, equal to limit extends to 1. Limit extends to 1. This is x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 both are cancelled. This is limit extends to 1. 1 by x plus 1. This is 1 by x plus 1 equal to, substitute the 1 equal to, this is the 1 by 2 is the our answer. 1 by 2 is the our answer. This is also basic questions. Okay, infinity minus infinity form. You have understand this one. Okay, next, limit extends to infinity. This is also infinity minus infinity form. Here x extends to infinity plus anything also add, means this is also infinity, this is also infinity. Okay, this is the form is infinity minus infinity form. Infinity minus infinity form. This is also one indeterminate form. This is, find this one value equal to rationalize. First you have root value, that is the rationalize first, after that you can do the remaining problem. Okay, limit extends to infinity, square root of x square plus ax plus b minus x into square root of x square plus ax plus b plus x by square root of x square plus ax plus b, this is a square root, minus this is plus x. Okay, find this one here. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, limit extends to infinity, a square minus b square is equal to, square root also cancel, x square plus ax plus b, a square minus b square, here also x square is get cancelled, and downside also square root of x square plus ax plus b plus x square plus ax plus b. Okay, once observe here, this is the limit extends to positive infinity. In the square root of mod x is the common. Here this is the positive infinity, means you have take plus x, you have take plus x. Okay, another time you have a negative infinity, here you have common equal to mod x, and after that here you have take negative part. Okay, negative minus x. Okay, understand, negative minus x. Here this is the positive infinity, means limit extends to infinity, here ax plus b means by next here what is the common? Mod x is the common. Here mod x is the common, means square root of mod x, means x square only outside, x square only inside, means that is the mod x. Here right, x square is the common, means this is 1, this is the a by x plus this is the b by x square. Here minus plus here x only right, x only right. Here ax plus b by, here right in this side right here. Okay, here ax plus b means limit extends to infinity, extends to infinity. What is the common here? X is the common, means a plus b by x is the common, a plus b by x. Next right downside, here mod x is the common, means we have take positive mod x, here also positive x. Okay, x only common, here 1 only, this is 0, this is also 0, this x is the common. Okay, here x is the common, root 1 is equal to 1 only. Next plus this is also 1 only, this is cancel. Okay, this is also 0. Next a by 2 is the our answer, our answer. Okay, understand, this is the positive infinity, you have take positive x, and negative infinity you have take negative x. In root value equal to and modulus of x is the common. Okay, understand these type of questions. Okay, right, more question. This is the JEE mains question 2022. Limit extends to pi by 2 tan square x into 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 minus sin square x plus 6 sin x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, is equals to, first option is equal to 1 by 12, second option is equal to minus 1 by 8, third option is equal to minus 1 by 12, fourth option is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay, what is the question given? That limit extends to pi by 2, limit extends to pi by 2, tan square x right, sin square x by cos square x, this is converted into sin square x by cos square x. This is the right as is square root of 2s square plus 3s plus 4 minus here s square plus 6s plus 2. This is also square root. Okay, square root. Okay, this is multiplied with rationalize here 2s square plus 3s plus 4 square root plus root of s square plus 6s plus 2 by denominator also 2s square plus 3s plus 4 square root. Okay, square root plus this is s square plus 6s plus 2 square root. Okay, this is the rationalize, completed rationalize. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, right? Here sin square equal to sin pi by 2 here, right? Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Here limit extends to pi by 2, okay, here sin cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, this is no need here. Okay, right, here sin square of pi by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by cos square x, into a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square means 2s square plus 2s square plus 3s plus 4, a square minus b square, minus of b square means this is the value s square plus 6s plus 2, plus 2 by here, right, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 only, this is 2, 3 and 4 means total 9 means this is 3, root 9 means 3. Next here sin is equal to 1 plus 6 7 plus 9, this is also 3, here also sin pi by 2 value is equal to 1 only. Okay, substitute here, simplify this one, equal to limit extends to pi by 2 1 by cos square x into sin square x minus sin square x equal to only sin square x means s square. Next 3s minus 6x minus 3s. Next 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 only. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 only. This is 6. This is 6. Okay, here equal to limit extends to pi by 2. Limit extends to pi by 2. Okay, 1 by cos square x. This 1 by cos square x is right as 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x into this is sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 2. Sin square x, s is equal to sin square x. Sin square x minus 3 sin x. 3 sin x plus 2 by 6. Okay, factorize this one. This one is the factorize. Write the factorize mission here. What is the factorize here? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. This is the minus 3 here. 2 into 1. This is minus 2 minus 1. Here also minus, here also minus. Okay, tally here. Okay, sin square x minus 2 sin x. 2 sin x minus sin x plus 2. What is the common here? Sin x is the common, means sin x is the common here. Sin x minus 2 and minus 1 is the common here, also sin x minus 2. Okay, again sin x minus 2 is the common here. Sin x minus 1. Sin x minus 1. Okay, right, in this place. So limit extends to pi by 2. Limit extends to pi by 2. 1 by 1 minus sin square x. 1 by 1 minus sin square x into what is the value? Sin x minus 2 into sin x minus 1. Sin x minus 2 into sin x minus 1 by this is the 6. Okay, this is a plus b into a minus b, right? 1 minus sin square x is equal to 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, right? 1 minus sin x. Okay, here 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x downside. Limit extends to pi by 2. Limit extends to pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x into this is sin x minus 2. Sin x minus 2 into sin x minus 1 by 6. Okay, here sin x minus 1, here also 1 is minus is the common. This is also 1 minus sin x. Okay, here right minus is the common, means here this one both are cancel. Here only minus. Okay, here only minus. Next here sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 only. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. Next sin pi by 2 is equal to 1 only. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 6. 2 into minus 6. Okay, total answer is equal to minus 1 by minus 12. Minus get cancel, equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the our answer. 1 by 12, option 1 is correct answer. Option 1 is correct answer. This is the JEE mains question 2022. Okay, this is the model of the root value rationalization type method question. Okay, another question. Limit extends to 0. Sin square x plus 4 cos x minus 3 tan x plus 4. Okay, here right, limit extends to 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1 means this is the 4. Next tan 0 is equal to 0. This is also minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Here limit extends to 0 is equal to 0. This is the 0 by 0 form. This is the 0 by 0 form. This is the 0 by 0 form. Okay, right here LH rule. Okay, LH rule. What is the LH rule? LH rule is the L'Hospital rule. This is the numerator derivative and the denominator derivative separately. That is the LH rule. Okay, here limit extends to 0. What is the differentiation of numerator? What is the differentiation of denominator? Okay, sin square x derivative equal to 2 sin x. And sin x derivative is equal to cos x. Next cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x, equal to minus 4 sin x. Minus of tan x derivative is equal to secant square x. 3 into secant square x. Next 4 derivative is equal to 0. 4 derivative is equal to 0 by x derivative is equal to 1, x derivative equal to 1. Okay, limit extends to 0, substitute here. Okay, sin 0 is equal to 0, this is 0. Next sin 0 is equal to 0, this is also 0. Next secant square 0, secant means cos 0 value is equal to 1 only, this is 1, this is minus 3, this is also 0. Okay, what is the answer? Our answer is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is our answer. This is the LH rule. This is the simple method of the LH rule. Okay, this is Somaras, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos. Go to my channel and check my channel. You are helpful, and watch the more videos, and like and subscribe and share my videos, and Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, yeah, this is your helpful, and you have a next our video.